Hi there. Branches help you to compose the right logic for your form. With branch conditions, you can make sure your respondents are taken into the correct flows inside your form. You see, we have prepared some questions for this tutorial. Let's start with creating a new branch based on a multiple choice question. To do that, you open the question block menu, and from that menu you can instantly create a branch for any answer. For example, let's take the first answer to create a branch for. Tripetto will then just automatically add a new branch for the selected option. And now you can add the follow-up for this branch. This is a simple example of a question block condition. Next, let's have a look at a so-called evaluate condition. This also lets you check a given answer, but with some more options. To demonstrate this, we create an empty branch from this plus button. Now you can add branch conditions to that new branch by clicking here. Next, you select evaluate. The evaluate screen will open on the left. And there you can configure this condition. In this case, we want to check if a couple of answered text fields in your form have the same entered values. To do that, you first select one of the text fields you want to compare. Then you select how you want to compare. In this case, if the text matches. And at the bottom, you select which value you want to compare it to. That can be a fixed value that you enter, but in this case, you want to compare it to a second given answer. So you select value, and then select the second question. And then you can add the follow-up for this branch. Lastly, let's have a look at the regular expression condition. This is an advanced option that lets you check if an answered value matches a certain desired format. Think of telephone numbers, registration numbers, or certain formats of email addresses. You can compose your regular expression with all kinds of tools on the internet and then use that expression in your condition in Tripetto. To show this, we create a new branch again. And now you can add a regular expression condition, like this. And if you then open its settings, you can copy-paste your regular expression. In this case, we check if the respondent has entered a telephone number with 10 digits. Now you can add the follow-up for this branch. And that's how you use the different types of branch conditions in your forms in Tripetto. You can also mix multiple conditions and branches to let them behave exactly how you want. Also, check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.